Hey guys, there's a couple of stocks I want to be taking a look at here for today. Going to be NVIDIA, Tesla, and Amazon. I'll also take a look at GME as well. So let's start off with NVIDIA. With NVIDIA here, if we go into the 30-minute chart, we can kind of see from last Friday, we had a low of $100.95. Pretty nice move back up here, back to where we are right now at 106.96. With the 30-minute chart, the 200 EMA is at $109.42. I do expect to see that being tested here within this week, right? So not necessarily tomorrow, but I do think in the short term here, 109.42 is going to be tested for NVIDIA, and waiting to see if we can break above it as well. So if I'm moving here to the daily chart, long term, I do expect to see a retest of the high of 141.76 here. If we see this break above the 200 EMA on the 30-minute chart, I would even keep an eye out for a move towards $115. Price may range between $115 and $125. And then just a reminder, if you haven't watched any of our previous videos, the yellow box is where I wouldn't mind adding a small position. Green box is where I would personally prefer a bigger position. And then eventually, of course, looking for that price target of 141 there for NVIDIA. So let's go ahead and go back on to Tesla here. Tesla here, yellow box here is ranging between right around 213 to 220. Currently, we are in this price zone. Not too long ago, we were also trending down here below 204. Okay, so green box, I do have that at right around 180 to about 213. It's where I wouldn't mind adding a big position. Long term, I am looking for price to retest 240 to 271 for Tesla. So if I had to guesstimate when, and by the way, I'm not a guru, so I can't really know like exactly when, but if I had to just make an educated guess, I would presume that 240 to 270 would be tested going into next year. All right. But of course, it could be as soon as the next couple of weeks or months here. We've seen how volatile Tesla could be. Just keep an eye out. A big move up this fast could also shake down as well. So lots of volatility here for Tesla, I think, to come. Amazon here, we're actually pretty recently down here in this green box, hitting a low of 151.61. This is even below our green box. So green box again, where I personally wouldn't mind a big position. Yellow box, small position. Looks like currently we are at 176.52. I personally would look to get into Amazon if I'm looking to go long term. I'd prefer Amazon below 180. But again, if this thing does go up to 190, I still wouldn't mind adding a small position. Just keep an eye out for the break above 190, as it could potentially get towards our 201 resistance. Okay, 201 here being the high of all time for Amazon. Long term, I do expect to see 200 to 240 being tested. Okay, so this was also in our previous videos for Amazon, if you haven't seen that already. So NVIDIA, Tesla, Amazon covered. We'll go ahead and take a look at GME here. So with GameStop, current price 24.42. Let me go on the hourly chart here just to kind of see. Pretty nice move up here from Friday morning all the way till to today. Actually, today we had a high of 25.02. Okay, current price 24.42, still pretty good, still up above the 50 EMA on the hourly chart. We even have a bullish crossover that began right around August 30th. So things are looking pretty good here for GME in my opinion. We take a look at the daily chart. I do think we break above 26.35. Eventually, GME here I think will be headed towards close to the $31 resistance mark. I do expect to see also with GameStop $30 to about $46 being tested again. I just don't know exactly when, so just keep an eye out for that as well. Again, if you want to know where I would personally add in a long-term position or a big position, I would prefer that between $18 and about $22. Okay, between 22 and 26, I wouldn't mind adding a small position. Just know it's a little bit riskier as we get closer to above the yellow box, and then purple box is quite like my price target. So there you have it, GME, NVIDIA, Tesla, Amazon. please feel free to share this video whether you've seen it on Reddit or Stock Twits. If you're watching this from Bullish Rate, thank you for watching, and if you want to support the video, feel free to like the video. I do have a link in the description if you do want to join our Discord. It's also on the top left here. We have over 30,000 members, and yeah, feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm just sharing my personal analysis, and also if you guys are waiting for me to stream again, just been a bit busy with school, so I'm trying to make videos on a weekly basis as I analyze the market, especially the Mag 7 here, and then also occasionally the GameStop if you guys want to take a look at that as well. I'll go ahead and make videos on these as well. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comments as well, alright?